Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to end your HEX stake. First, you'll need to understand the basic steps involved in unstaking your HEX. This process allows you to retrieve your principal and any earned interest from your active stakes. We'll cover everything from accessing your stakes to confirming the final transaction, ensuring a smooth and successful experience. To begin, open your preferred HEX decentralized application or a compatible cryptocurrency wallet that supports HEX. Once there, you'll need to connect your wallet to the platform. This will allow you to view all of your active HEX stakes. Take a moment to ensure your connection is secure and stable before proceeding to the next step. Now that your wallet is connected, you will see a list of your active stakes. Carefully select the specific stake you intend to end. After selecting it, locate and click the End Stake button. Before confirming, always take a moment to thoroughly review all the transaction details presented to you, ensuring everything is correct. After reviewing the details, you will be prompted to confirm the transaction within your connected wallet. This step typically involves approving the action and paying the associated network gas fees. Once confirmed, the transaction will process on the blockchain. Shortly thereafter, your original principal and any earned interest will be returned to your wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.